आखिर में फ़िल्टर लगाना ही पड़ता है, तो why do I even try without the filter? Anyways, you and I are due for a little chat, don't you think? Okay, so I want to rant about my day. You can skip if you want, but अच्छा रहेगा सुन लोगे तो. Usually, my favorite thing about myself is that I never have a straight answer to the question, what do you do for a living? Because I have 7 different professions or livelihoods. I don't know how to put it, right? And I can't have a straight answer to the question, what are your hobbies? Because hobbies भी 20-30 तो हैं. On top of which, I want to do everything myself. अगर घर में एक मेरे घर में एक वॉल है जिसको पेंट करने की ज़रूरत है, डोंट वांट टू गेट अ पेंटर, आई वांट टू पेंट इट माई सेल्फ. दैट इज़ कंपल्शन दैट आई हैव सॉर्ट ऑफ. इसलिए फिर डॉग्स के लिए ट्रेनर्स भी नहीं हैं, खुद यूट्यूब वीडियोस देख के ट्रेन भी करना है क्योंकि बोनलेस ही तो बनेगा. सब खुद ही करना है मुझे. आई डोंट वांट टू get anyone to do anything for me, no matter how professional, unless I have tried and failed at something. Now the thing is, normally a lot of people tell me कि unsustainable है, it is नहीं चलेगा, कितना ही कर लोगी 24 घंटे में, कुछ भी अच्छे से नहीं हो पाएगा एक चीज़ पे if you don't focus. Usually मेरी शक्ल ऐसी हो जाती है and then I think to myself कि I can't fuck with you because you don't understand it. It's like that Justin Bieber वाला audio. It's not clocking to you that I'm standing on business. Yeah. But ever since 2026 has started, which is like literally a few days back, it's hitting me that this actually might be unsustainable. In order to explain what I'm trying to say, I would like to give you an example of the past couple of days that I've had. ऐसा होता है that सुबह में I go to the gym, then I have PT, then the rest of the day starts, right? So yesterday I went to the gym, but I got late because I've been burnt out for months now. मेरा सेशन ऑब्वियसली छोटा करना पड़ा. माई वर्कआउट वॉज ट्रैश, सो इट डिड नॉट गिव मी एनी एंडोर्फिन्स एज सच, क्योंकि 3 एक्सरसाइजेज 2-2-3-3 सेट करके आई हैड टू लीव बिकॉज आई हैड क्लाइंट्स. आई हैड 2 PT sessions, after which I thought to myself कि अरे 2 new clients I'm bringing on board, so I need to start prepping for that. I want to give them the best of what my brain has to offer as a trainer. So I came home. Usually I train my mother. After I come home, then I go train the dogs for half an hour. तो दोनों में से कुछ भी नहीं किया because time ही नहीं था. I had lots on my plate. I have a to-do list जो नवंबर से चले आ रही है बस, है ना. It is just piling things on top of each other, और जो highest priority की है वो पहले हो जाती है, and that's how it's structured. अब कल the highest thing on my priority, the highest, you get it, टॉप पे जो था लिस्ट के was completing Ultra T's new product packaging. So I spent all of yesterday designing it, perfecting it, every because I'm so particular. You'd ask me designer क्यों नहीं hire किया. Interestingly enough, hire किया. Been working with her for 2 months now, but I am a hellish, nightmarish client to work with when it comes to design. So to make our lives easier and things faster, I decided कि पूरी की पूरी फाइल मैं बना देती हूँ. I'll send it to her. She'll just get it print ready. Spent all of yesterday, all my energy, all my time on doing these files for Ultra T. अब इसी में Ultra T का काम अधूरा रह गया, which is sending orders. I'm in between teams right now, so administrative stuff. Samples भेजने थे कहीं कहीं, थोड़ी पिचिंग करनी थी, 1-2 टिकट सॉल्व करनी थी डिलीवरी के साथ बिकॉज वी आर हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ इश्यूज विथ द डिलीवरी, नॉट द टाइम और द प्लेस. बहुत कुछ Ultra T का was left out. Other than that, I was supposed to tattoo a friend of mine today and help him pick a design for a cover-up tattoo, but I didn't get the time yesterday. I was supposed to send certain files to an architect for a different project that I'm working on. That didn't get done. My first interaction with this architect, mind you, so he probably thinks I'm a very unreliable person. There's lots more in this. Oh, content creation. Since my priority list keeps piling on month, and 90% of the time the ultra T stuff takes precedence over all else. And then a second close is my PT, third close is my tattooing. Content creation takes like a big backseat. अब इसके अंदर comes one more nuance. ठीक है, content creation नहीं हो रहा, losing followers by hundreds. I was at 33K was the highest, and then ever since then it has been a steady decline to 29K. Not that it really matters, but still, like, I know why it's happening. It's happening because I don't post enough. But अब जैसे I am supposed to follow up with a brand to pay me, and वो इतना छोटा टास्क है कि it never makes it to the top of my priority list. Everything else is there. Even though it's like a 5-minute task, it just doesn't get done because I have bigger things on my mind, and मेरे पास वो brain space ही नहीं है to go text, call, पीछे पड़ो if I to get paid. A friend of mine, a very sweet friend of mine, has given me a product with no obligation to post on my story, but I want to post on my story because that's why she's given me the product. And I don't want her to think I don't support her. I don't want her to think I don't help out in any way, but I haven't had the time to even look at the product because and I don't want to lose the spark. I love it about myself that I can claim to have like 4 jobs. कोई भी पूछता है what do you do for a living, my literal next answer is 15 minute निकाल के आओ, then I will tell you everything that I do, which is like a ego boost of sorts. And now, as an adult, as I grow older, as more and more opportunities come up that require more of my investment in terms of time and brain space, I'm realizing that it might not be sustainable to do everything after all. But the child in me refuses to give it up. Maybe I can't do everything, and that is a very difficult thing for me to accept. And honestly, if there are any overachievers watching this, I bet you can relate. Like, you were always taught that you were special, and so now the kind of slack that you would allow other people does not apply to you in your own head. I will advise my friends to take rest. You are only human, la 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 la. But when it comes to me, I want to do everything. And the problem is that I am my own boss in all 6 or 7 of my professions. So it's like मेरे बहुत पास में है to just be like one day wake up and be like भाड़ में जाओ सब, मुझे कुछ काम नहीं करना. Yeah, but then I'm also the boss side of the things where I'm like नहीं करना पड़ेगा काम. You understand what I'm trying to say here? In case my therapist is watching this, I will not name you by name, but I will be sad when I don't see you this Monday. I miss you. I wish you didn't take a leave. I miss you like... Yeah. That sounded so romantic, but you know what I mean? I really do miss you. Yeah, and I don't feel like giving it up just yet. Ooh, you wanna know something funny? I spent all of the yesterday working on that file for Ultra Rewrite. Printers, fun fact, usually need CMYK or Pantone colors. And I accidentally made the entire file, all 12 hours of work, in an RGB file. Yes, theoretically I could convert it to CMYK, but the real ones know that exact नहीं होता है. Here's the next piece of frustration. If 2026 is supposed to be my year, then it is going to be like this. It is going to be this busy because I am busy, because luckily I am having mild success in all 6 professions. None of them are at a stage yet where I can be like, okay, maybe I'm not good enough at this, and maybe I need to quit this, maybe this is not giving me the results that I want. All 6 and 7 of them are pulling me in. Every time I tattoo someone and finish the tattoo and look at it after the foam is wiped out, I'm like, this is what I'm meant to do. This was my life's calling. But then when I do Ultra T stuff and it just keeps me up at night, how the color is like 1 point different, or one customer did not receive their order, multiple customers are getting broken bottles, whatever. It keeps me up at night. Then I think that is my calling. uh, I love being a PT. I cannot give that up. That is very close to me emotionally. I love making people pain free, and when they can do things and notice it themselves, it really like just does something to me emotionally. And so, if so many things move me emotionally, how do I ever begin to pick? And I don't want to be boring and just do one thing in life. मैं क्यों बुलाऊं पेंटर को? मुझे खुद करना है पेंट वॉल को. आई वॉन्ट टू हैव दैट एक्सपीरियंस, हैव फन, फिगर इट आउट. आई डोंट नो. बट लगी तो पड़ी है, इफ आई एम बीइंग वेरी ऑनेस्ट.